Hey, I think I see something over by your fairy house.
What?
I don't know. Thought I saw something.
Let's go check it out. A deer, look! Whoa! We got so close up to a deer. There is something in there. A fairy.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where?
In there. A fairy king.
In your fairy house?
Yes, a real one.
Can I look at it?
Yes, it's a real one. It's impossible. See?
Whoa!
That's impossible. Should I take her out?
I don't know. Do you want to?
Yeah, let me see. This
Do you think we should take her out and bring her in the house since it's raining?
Yeah, I don't want her. Oh. She's a Barbie. It's a Barbie doll.
Let me see. Cool. How did you get there?
I think it's fairy godmother magic.
You do?
Yeah. She could ask.
Should we take her inside and
Yeah.
make her comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.